Hi guys, welcome to this video, where I show you the top 10 drones of the DJI. Let's not waste time and let's start the video. DJI, introducing Spark. Needs Spark, small, colorful, smart, a powerful flying camera that you can take anywhere. It's so clever it activates by recognizing you just launch it from the palm of your hand. It even returns when you call it and land like this easy, can't get everyone in the shot, no problem. Watch as it hovers precisely in place, always at your command. Control it with your hands. Remote controller, mobile device or gigajoules using GPS. Spark knows where it is. Even if you don't, it'll even sense obstacles to avoid things in front of it and come home safely. Thank you. Got smooth moves, Sparks, but it is smooth. It takes the shake out of your shot. So you look like a pro. Not feeling the control steps performed, preset flight maneuvers with a single click and get those epic shots. Here's a way to stand out from the crowd. Spark automatically adds shallow depth of field to your photos. If you don't know how to fly, just half fly. Let's see if you can handle sports ground. Spark keeps you in the frame, so all you need to do is act naturally. Edit your epic videos and share them instantly. Spark your aerial creativity anywhere. All you need to do is seize the moment. At DJI, true innovation is seeing the bigger picture. Every iteration is the culmination of all that we do to bring you the very best. Here's everything you've been waiting for and beyond. This is Mavic 2. The aircraft comes in two new additions to Pro and Mavic 2. Both cameras utilize the latest 3 accessible technology, ensuring smooth, stable footage in any situation. Mavic 2 Pro commands a powerful 1-inch sensor, offering you greater image quality with superior light and color performance. Company engineered with Hasselblad, the new camera houses an adjustable aperture lens for more control over your lighting environment, captures stunning aerial photos and 20 megapixels with extreme detail. Mavic 2 Pro supports a 10-bit dialogue and color profile. The yields higher dynamic range for more flexibility, and the grading roadmap to zoom is all about dynamic perspective. With a 2x optical zoom lens, it offers greater safety, efficiency and more creative opportunities. The 48mm focal length compresses your perspective, enhancing the parallax effect for a classic cinematic look. You're able to punch in quickly for a tighter shot, even from 100 meters away, keeping a safe distance from your subject. Don't be fooled by its size. Mavic 2 zoom lens is powerful, constantly adjusting to your commands for seamless zoom control and autofocus tracking. This keeps your subject clear while you focus on framing. Mavic 2 soon gives you access to Dallas Hope for an otherworldly, warped perspective. Both editions record for CAT video with an advanced H.265 compression, so your images retain even more detailed. Speed things up in a dynamic aerial hyperlapse with a simple tap of a button for different modes, give you a variety of shots for any time-lapse situation. 2 also supports enhanced HDR photo, an improved technique that blends a sequence of Photos for greater dynamic range and image clarity. It wouldn't be a magic if it couldn't go with you anywhere, anytime we kept that same foldable design and tweaked a few things that make a world of difference. After countless hours of research and testing, Mavic to refine chassis and low-noise propellers make it DJI's most advanced aerodynamic aircraft to date. These subtle yet powerful improvements give you a smoother, quieter flight for greater discretion when the situation requires. Mavic to extends your creative potential with up to 31 minutes of flight time and a Mach speed of 72 km/h in sport mode. The all-new US 2.0 provides a 1080p transmission signal up to 8 km, so you can edit full HD footage directly from the cache on your mobile device to 0.4 to 5.8 GHz. Auto switching offers better performance in environments with busy signal interference. For the first time in a DJI drone, Mavic to boast obstacle sensors on all sides of the aircraft, its digital nervous system continually transmits data to a new, more powerful central processor. The aircraft analyzes every inch of its surroundings to move around obstacles without stopping, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot. When you have a need for tracking at high speeds, stay fully immersed in the action with Active Track 2.0. Aided by its vision systems, Mavic to maps a 3D view of the environment for greater accuracy and tracking up to 72 km/h trajectory. Prediction algorithms also help to maintain course when your subject is blocked by an obstruction. DJI goggles users can enjoy an enhanced experience with a clearer video feed and lower latency. When it comes to portability or quality, small details are the big picture, your vision or reality, having to bring the best of both. So you can explore the outer reaches of your imagination and create content that truly feels out of this world. This is Magic Air. You may have some questions like, so what's different? Well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot more pixels. 48 megapixels, to be exact, which means you can do this and then shoot a hyper left in Alaska with smart photo. Every shot is a masterpiece. Yeah, but voodoos aren't really my thing. Don't worry, we've got you covered. It also does 40/60 video. You can also slow things down, way down. And yes, there's HDR video. How was the flight time? It's fantastic. You're looking at up to 34 minutes in the air, a new record for the Mavic series we've added, you seem to point out, so you can fly longer and see clearer water from the great pilot. That's where Focus Jet comes in. So you can fly like a pro. Or just press a button. Here's the best part: automatic obstacle avoidance. Okay, but what do I do with all these shots? Here's an idea. Use the DJ Fly Out to edit and share your moments with just a tap. So, what's different? A whole lot. As the world population continues to grow, we need innovative ways to feed more people sustainably. That means leveraging intelligence in the agriculture industry to make operations smarter and more efficient. Meet the new tool that makes your workflow intelligent, the DJI P4 Multispectral. A high-precision multispectral drone solution designed to get you agricultural insights for targeted action. The P4 Multispectral retains the same powerful performance as DJI's other drones, integrating a multispectral imaging system that lets you see more than just visible light. Monitor crop health throughout growing seasons by generating vegetation index maps using multispectral images. Get accurate, consistent results thanks to the integrated spectral sunlight sensor. That accounts for different levels of sunlight during different times of the day. Achieve centimeter level precision with the RTK module and DJI's time sync system, allowing you to get accurate positioning data on both the RGB and multispectral images captured. DJI's iconic drone platforms have evolved for the world of work. The P4 Multispectral is an accessible tool you can rely on to collect plant-level intelligence for agricultural uses and beyond. What do you need for incredible aerial imaging? A brilliant camera, an aircraft you can trust, and the intelligence to make every shot cinematic. The new Phantom P4 has all this and much more. The Phantom 4 Pro camera has an f2.8 aperture mechanical shutter and large 1-inch sensor coming together to make brighter, more detailed imagery. Records cinematic 4K video at higher bit rates with more advanced compression and a wider dynamic range. 4K 60 frames per second recording gives you stunning, detailed, slow-motion aerial video. The Phantom 4 Pro is as adept at stills as it is with video, capturing every detail at 20 megapixels. Its mechanical shutter eliminates rolling, shutter bending. Grab the perfect moment using Bergsman. All of this makes the Phantom 4 Pro the most advanced aerial camera ever found in the Phantom series. The Phantom 4 Pro is now a huge step forward. I'm taking photos of the lava when it's darker out and the glow of the lava coming off of it. The image sensor that's in this camera now is 1N sensor 20 megapixels. That extra dynamic range allows me to really get everything into one shot, and the landscape, that's extremely important. See your shot clearly, even in direct sunlight, with the new ultra bright 5.5-inch monitor. That's more than twice as bright as most tablets. Inside is DJI Light Bridge technology. It automatically detects interference and switches from 2.4 to 5.8 GHz transmission at takeoff, cutting through the noise for more reliability. The built-in monitor on the Phantom 4 Progress, and so bright I'm actually able to see in direct sunlight. And that's really allowing me to compose my shot and get what I really want to capture. Active track has now been expanded with 3 new intelligent flight modes. Profile tracks your subject horizontally from any side. Spotlight locks the camera on a subject while you fly in almost any direction. Circle swings 360 degrees around the subject. Tap fly has also been improved, adding reverse tap fly, making it perfect for aerial selfies. Flying. The Phantom 4 Pro is even more worry-free. A set of rear visual sensors has been added to existing forward and downward sensors, combined with new infrared obstacle sensors on its sides. The Phantom 4 Pro has 5 directions of sensing. If image signal is lost, it returns home while dynamically avoiding obstacles, and even flies back along its original flight path until signal is regained. Every minute in the air counts. The new high-capacity battery flight time has been increased to 30 minutes when it comes to speed. The Phantom 4 Pro is 10 miles per hour faster, with full support of its obstacle sensing systems. With its stunning camera, 1-inch sensor, ultra-bright monitor, obstacle sensing and intelligence, the Phantom 4 Pro brings professional quality aerial imaging and flight capabilities to more pilots around the world. Unique and specialized jobs demand a device that's not only by her side, but also revolutionizes the way you work. The Mavic 2 Enterprise is your new ally in the sky. Its compact design makes it ready when you are with an advanced toolset that empowers you to overcome any challenge safely and efficiently. Pilots of the Mavic 2 Enterprise can extend their vision to view scenarios in greater detail without putting themselves in harm's way. Whether it's getting a broad overview of your entire work site or a close-up view to identifying malfunctioning equipment, the Mavic 2 Enterprise is you covered with expensive accessories that let you direct team members and operate in more scenarios than ever before. This is a massive fire medical department remain open. By the way, there's been a break in the Mavic 2 Enterprise is incredibly intuitive to fly right from your first flight. Precise controls and additional safety features make even the newest pilot feel like a seasoned pro. Obstacle sensors keep safety in mind without sacrificing its enhanced power. This is a tool for any operation with password protection, securing critical data, and turn stamping for identifying precise location and time information at a moment's notice. New tools demand new infrastructure. So we packed the Mavic 2 Enterprise with the latest tech to update pilots on its surrounding airspace and how to avoid potential hazards while in the air. The Mavic 2 Enterprise is the next great tool that will elevate your inner strength, expand your capability and power your every move. Anytime, anywhere. Every day, good people fight fire, save lives and keep our world revolving even in the toughest conditions in times like these. Nothing is more critical than being able to trust your team and your tools. Meet the new Matrice 300 RPK and Zenmuse H20 series. Together, they form the foundation for reinventing the world of work. The Matrice 300 Arctic boasts a 55-minute flight time, 15-kilometer transmission range, improved reliability, superior flight performance and powerful intelligent functions for the first time ever. Dual vision and TRF sensors appear on all 6 sides of the aircraft, providing the Matrice 300 RTEC with the ultimate positioning and obstacle avoidance capabilities. Flight navigation and obstacle data are presented in the new primary flight display. This provides unprecedented situational awareness. A powerful flying platform requires an equally capable payload by combining a wide-angle camera 23x optical zoom camera, thermal camera and a laser range finder. The Zenmuse H20 series is the optimal match for the Matrice 300 Arctic. The new UI lets you quickly scan an area with a wide-angle thermal camera, preview a subject of interest, and then zoom in to confirm critical details, all with just 2 taps. Combining the intelligence of the Matrice 300 RTK and the versatility of the Zenmuse H20 series yields unprecedented productivity for your field operations. Minimize repetitive work by automating routine missions with a spot check. You can mark objects of interest after a demo flight. Then the aircraft will replicate the position, angle and framing automatically for future missions, save time and get highly detailed imagery of a large area through high-res grid photos. Selected area of interest, then capture a set of photos with a long-range zoom camera, all with a single tap and coordinated missions. It is essential, yet challenging, to synchronize aerial intelligence with ground and command teams. Use the pinpoint function to mark the subject of interest and instantly share the precise location data to your second operator or ground teams via DJI Flight Hub. With Smart Tracked, you can now automatically detect and track a moving object even in extreme distances while synchronizing the subject's dynamic location in real time. The advanced dual operator mode lets each operator obtain control of the aircraft or payload with a single tap. This creates new possibilities for mission strategies during operations. Efficiency doesn't stop with just software. Downtime is minimized by a hot swappable battery system that keeps power flowing without the need to reboot the aircraft. A new quick charging battery station allows for rapid recharging of 4 groups of flight and controller batteries, so you can keep operations going for as long as you need. If that's not enough, the Matrice 300R Tech platform supports up to 3 payloads simultaneously and 2.7 kilograms of total payload weight. Compatibility with DJI is developer tools means you'll have access to a variety of industry-specific solutions in the months and years to come. In a world that demands more, we reimagine what it means for tools to be tough, reliable and intelligent. But between 300R TK and Zenmuse H20 series, rewriting the standard for industrial UAV solutions. The world of work was once again revolutionized when DJI launched the new enterprise flagship platform, the Matrice 300R TK. With the New Zealand USP1 unlock more of its potential. The P1 integrates a full-frame camera with interchangeable fixed-focus lenses on a 3-axis stabilized gimbal. It is an efficient, accurate payload designed for photogrammetry. For the first time, DJI uses a full-frame sensor with more microns in each pixel to give you a higher image quality at 45 megapixels, and with short shooting intervals, the camera can capture high-resolution images of large areas in short flights. In just 4 flight 140 minutes, collect data for 10 kilometers squared of 2D ortho mosaics. What's more, the P1 syncs time across the camera gimbal's flight controller and RPK module to deliver centimeter-level accurate data. Its global mechanical shutter with a shutter speed of 1/12 seconds prevents the GLO effect, keeping images crisp even during high-speed flights while meeting accuracy requirements of 1 to 500 scale cadastral surveys. Thanks to the flexible 3-axis gimbal, smart oblique capture simplifies oblique photography for you to quickly generate highly accurate 3D models in areas with elevation changes, flight paths that follow the terrain that you fly safely, while improving the accuracy of data outputs. Traditional geological surveys required teams to hang from dangerous slopes. Now, with the M300 Arctic and P1 snap of the object, photogrammetry missions are easier than ever. Vertical slopes and mountain ranges can be modeled with a millimeter-level resolution so teams can investigate, measure and evaluate these hazard sites. Use this combo for ABC and surveying applications to quickly acquire 2D and 3D data for all phases of the project lifecycle, including design, acceptance, inspection and maintenance in emergency response. Immediate access to the latest intel is crucial when used with terror. The solution enables real-time mapping so teams can have eyes on a large area to quickly make informed decisions. The Zenmuse 1 and M300R Tech solution is unprecedentedly efficient Accurate, intelligent and safe, setting a new benchmark as your new go-to tooler aerial. Survey. For as long as people have walked the earth, they've wondered how to fly. We spend more than a decade crafting tools for dreamers. Now we are going one step beyond with an immersive experience, unlike anything else. Introducing DJI FP. First, ready to fly at. Drone that lets users of any skill level field of immersive flight. We've also revolutionized the FP experience by creating the DJI Motion Controller, a compact device that enables ultra-intuitive flight based purely on hand motions with a standard remote controller, 3 distinct flight, most often multiple options for anyone to fly. SPVs start within mode for an immersive experience with traditional flight controls. S mode simplifies 5 controls for an exciting hybrid flight. Activate in mode to unlock unlimited flight controls. Boundaries are your skills and imagination. No matter which controller or flight mode you're using, any emergency braking cover with one tap to stop and hover in place. The return to home button will bring the drone back automatically to its starting location and landed safely. Delivers crystal clear, hyper-immersive image quality with rumble latency. PVG also features a robust modular design. The fully integrate record every breathtaking. You were right in the middle of the thanks to a super wide 150-degree UFO video footage, stay super smooth things to integrated rocksteady technology. This is DJI FPV. Why? At its launch, the Inspire 1 was a revolution. It turned tens of thousands of people into aerial filmmakers and now appears on professional film sets around the world. To inspire to build on this foundation, empowering filmmakers to beam top speed is boosted to 58 miles per hour, 94 kilometers per hour. And ascent is also accelerating. The speed doesn't come without protection, is unmatched flight autonomy system comes too. Conspire to bringing with it an extended range close to 100 feet, many faster flight with protection from what it can see. It also adds an infrared sentences placed on top re-Inspire, extending obstacle avoidance to obstructions overhead. The new dual battery design increases flight line hitting a maximum of 27 minutes when using the X4 camera and also provides battery redundancy. Self-heating systems mean the Inspire 2 can be flown in extreme cold The Zenmuse X5 seconds. Micro Fiber Thirds camera now has a 20.8 megapixel sensor with better pixel performance. It is capable of capturing 5.2K at 30 frames per second, as well as 4K is 60 frames per second. It also supports cinema DNG and progress recording. Just kind of look at you go like that's really small, but how can this little small thing give these big results? Normally, I wouldn't think of using a drone for a normal shot, but kind of made this really simple shot easily. No, I look great, and I'm tell you, I'm really thinking the Inspire 2 is DJI focus, compatible for precision focus control. A broad range of microfiber thirds lenses are also supported, including zooms from 9mm to 45. The 45 is pretty beautiful on this camera. We used it a lot for close-ups and has a great depth of field. And this makes me feel like, that's kind of cinematic for me to be inspired to. Image processor known as Cineca 2.0 offers cinema DNG progress 264 and 265 recording onto a detachable SIA SSD drive with a maximum read and write speed of 6 gigabits per second or a micro South Dakota card. Pairs is a widely used delivery method for post-production, offering flexibility for editing while not compromising image quality. But to get the absolute most out of what you shoot, Inspire 2 also captures from acquiring content on RAW just gives you more information to work within your post-process. The RAW native cinematic ANCHI format gives you the most dynamic range possible of that camera, basically takes full advantage of the sensor and everything that it can see. There isn't one shot that we compromised for detail, for color, purity, for separation, and even just for black, for low light detail, highlight detail. But I never could have told you that this particular footage came from a drone. It's just too good. New intelligent modes, including Spotlight Pro and Profile, make cinematic shots easier for production teams and even for single operators. Spotlight Pro keeps the camera locked on the subject, rotating beyond 360 degrees to fix the target and frame as Inspire flies. While Profile mode turns a camera to capture the subject's profile as the Inspire flies forward. By maintaining forward flight, obstacle sensing systems are able to protect the aircraft. The onboard FPP camera separates the flight view from the main camera view, effectively giving the Aspire to a dedicated top flight camera. Just tap on the screen to fly in that direction and focus on camera control. During return to home, the primary camera with a maximum sensing range of 200 meters is used to effectively avoid obstructions. Live TV broadcasting has also been enabled natively through an optimized broadcast mode that streams smooth video at the tender age of 50 and 720 page 60 live broadcast standard. Be inspired to brings better quality images, more power, and more intelligence to professional aerial filmmaking, setting the stage for more filmmakers to take to the sky. This is the DJI Agras T20, which carries 20 liters of load and cover 12 hectares per hour efficiently. The 4-channel independent flow control allows more even application, while the intelligent relief valves results in more convenient air removal. The omnidirectional digital radar provides 360 degrees 3D scene reconstruction, empowers the aircraft to avoid obstacles autonomously even in poor visibility, guarantees safe operation of day and night. The new Programmable controller is equipped with RTK module for centimeter-level flight planning. Simply press one button to have the drone take off and perform its job autonomously. Equipped with a new spreading system, T20 can deliver uniform spreading of seeds, fertilizer, and other solid materials at a rate up to 10 kilograms per minute. The rating of IP67 makes the whole aircraft washable. The foldable design makes the T20 even more portable by using the P4 multispectral to gather precise plant-level data. T20 can apply the selectively spraying solution based on crop growth to save water and reducing the pesticide dosage. With the help of Phantom 4 RTK and JITRA, users can apply 3D fluid path for more efficient planning. T20 is capable of flying precisely upon flight path of multiple application scenarios to target fruit trees distributed on contour lines. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you want to buy one of the drones presented in the video, the link is in description. Remember to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell